up here in the frontier outpost. Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here. But keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of the wilderness.
What's that?
Listen.
I'm going to jump out of that Johnny house right there.
It's awful quiet.
Yeah, too quiet.
Oh, what's the matter, Deputy? Did you happen to lose somebody?
Hey!
What?
We have got this under control.
Not digging out.
Mister. Are those guys?
Well, that's Maverick and that's Levi. That's the two cowboys that work. So you gotta hire whatever you can find. Tell you what, you see the marshal anywhere?
No. I heard the Indians are out running around. Bet you had to hightail it out of here.
Yeah, maybe. I tell you what, you check down there. I'm gonna check around back here. You two check around up here and make sure everything's alright.
Oh, sure thing, Deputy. I would love to help out.
Nothing.
Anytime you're ready, just helping you out.
Trust us.
Just
Ooh.
gonna stay out here.
Take care of some
Nothing to
business.
see here.
Here we go.
Okay. This is working out really good there, Levi.
That gold.
Whoa there, Nelly. Come here. No way. Whoa. Now listen, there's plenty of time to get that gold wherever it may be.